Hi, I'm in my studio today and I'm building an affordable frame out of Meranti wood, just wood strips that I bought at the hardware, and I'm going to show you step by step how to build this frame. And this is the frame I'm building. It's just Meranti strips, and I'm going to show you the whole process on how to finish up this frame and make it into a very pretty frame like this one. Okay, so this is our painting that we're going to frame, and now the first step is to take a measurement on the side. I've already cut it at 45 degrees on that corner. Now we do the other side. This is 89.5, so we're going to make it 90.5. I just need to check it over here. I'm happy with that. I've cut my 4 strips, and now I'm going to glue them together to form a frame. Now that we've built the inside part of the frame, we're going to cut the sides and attach them to the bottom part of the frame. This is the bottom part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 2 pieces that will fit this side exactly. The next step in the process is to get a nice even corner, a nice even joint, and for this I'm using this little mouse sander, and I've got a 60 grit for my first polishing on the corners. Right, so we've got to fill up all these little holes, and I'm using this Bruma Superior wood filler, and I don't have the exact color, but it doesn't really matter because I'm going to stain all of this white afterwards. Just want to get rid of all this little poke marks, all the little marks made by that. Right, we finally get to painting this frame, and I'm using a Woodcare product here in South Africa. It is a water-based varnish that you put on wood, and I asked them to put some white in here. Frame is now painted with 3 layers of the white varnish, and now we're going to mount it into our frame, mount our painting. Really beautiful. So this is the painting, and all we used was a drill and some screws to attach it at the back. So I can always remove it again from the frame and put another frame around it. Thank you for watching my video on YouTube, and I hope that you'll watch the other videos as well. It was great fun showing you how to make an affordable frame. This frame will cost me less than $20 to make, and that's a real steal. You know what framing costs, the commercial frame?